Hi traders, this is just a really quick video to let you guys know about the Pine Script Mastery birthday discount promotion that I'm running this week. Here you can see the email I'm about to send out to everyone on my mailing list. And 12 months ago, on the 7th of June 2020, which was my 30th birthday, I launched the Pine Script Mastery course. Now, it was the first online course I've ever recorded or published, and my online following at the time, on my subscriber base on YouTube and on my blog and all of that, was about 10% what it is now. And so I really didn't know if what I was doing was worth the time or the effort. But being a full-time trader and being a systematic rules-based trader, over 90% of my day is spent staring at charts without having any decisions to make. And so I kind of got bored of doing that, and I decided to launch this course anyway because there seemed to be a fair bit of interest in it from comments on my YouTube channel. People were constantly asking me to make a more detailed course on the subject of Pine Script. Well, since launching this course, it has grown exponentially and has become much bigger than I ever expected it to. So to celebrate the first year of the Mastery course and my 31st birthday on the 7th of June, I'm running a 25% off everything discount for the next week. So if you're interested in the Pine Script Mastery course or any of my other courses and you've been waiting for a good time to buy it, now is as good a time as any. I don't run discounts often because, quite frankly, I make most of my money from my trading and I don't really need the money from these courses. This is just a background thing for me. I just enjoy programming and I get a kick out of helping traders in their own trading journeys. And so this will be the last discount I run for the foreseeable future. And so if you do want to learn Pine Script, now is a great time to hop on board. There will be a link popping up in the top right hand corner right now to the Pine Script Mastery website, which will include the coupon code, and there will also be a link in the video description and the pinned comment below with the coupon code in it. So this discount code applies to all of the courses on my website: the Mastery course, my indicators and strategy scripts, and the Ultimate Pullback Indicator course. So if you're interested in any of these courses, make sure to head over to the website and check them out. Just really quickly, if you're not sure what these courses are, the Mastery course is kind of like my flagship Pine Script course, where I go into great detail about everything relating to Pine Script, and I break it down in a step-by-step, section-by-section approach so that each lesson builds on the previous lesson and each section builds on the previous section. And by the time you're done with this course, you should be able to do almost anything that is possible to do with Pine Script, including automating your trading in certain cases, depending on how complex your strategy script is. So there are a lot of lessons here now. There's over 100 lessons and over 16 hours of content in the course. And if you're still not sure whether this is right for you, make sure to come and read all of the reviews on the website, because I actually haven't had a single negative review since releasing the program, which, to be honest with you, is pretty surprising. I wasn't expecting such a positive reaction from the trading community to this course, because I'm sure you've noticed traders can typically be quite easy to disappoint, to put it kindly. And if you are a little more experienced with Pine Script, or you just want to shortcut a lot of the learning process, you can buy my Indicators and Strategy Scripts course, which contains the source code and detailed video lessons explaining every single indicator I've ever published worth mentioning. And that includes my premium indicators, which I only have a handful of, and some of my private scripts that I've never released to the public. And I have more strategies coming soon. I actually have a script that I've been working on the past week that is quite profitable and exciting. So when I find time and I've finished optimizing that script, that will go up in this course as well. And there's just a lot more supplementary material here that really expands on what the Mastery course teaches you. Obviously, the most valuable thing about this course is that you can steal the source code to every single script I've ever written, basically copy and paste any bits of code that you find useful into your own scripts, and really dramatically speed up your coding process. And then finally, there is the Ultimate Pullback Indicator, which is my most advanced script that I've ever written. I use this script to trade the Forex and crypto markets pretty much every day. It's my most popular script that I've ever written. But it's not free because it does contain hundreds of lines of code. This script is the biggest script I've ever written, with over 700 lines of code making up this pullback indicator script, which pretty much just detects high accuracy pullback trades above and below the 50 EMA and on most markets, on most time frames, it has a pretty decent win rate depending on how you trade it. The UPI course comes with my personal strategy rules and a bunch of lessons teaching you how I personally use this script to trade the markets, how I interpret trend, what my strategy rules are for this script, and various ways to trade it, including using a single target or 2 targets and scaling out of your position. I also teach you how to backtest in this course, and I give away the best markets that I've found to trade this script on or this strategy on. And there's even a bonus strategy in here, the hammers and stars strategy. And I have a couple of other scripts that I might add to this course in the future. So if you're interested in that, the coupon code CAKE will work for this course as well. But in saying all that, I really do appreciate your support on the YouTube channel. I've had a lot of fun the past year or two creating content for you guys, and I will continue to do that into the future. So make sure to stick around, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and whether or not you're interested in my courses, make sure to check back frequently because I will have new content on the way, and I'll be back real soon with a new video. I'll leave a link in the video description and the pinned comment below to my Pine Script course website, including the coupon code for this discount for any of you who are interested. That will do it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Thank you for your time. Best of luck with your trading. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.